I once had a Nadaswaram player come into a very small 10 by 10 cubicle treated with a treated space like this where it is all fabric, and when he started playing the Nadaswaram, all of a sudden I started feeling he was playing something like a small whistle. There was no sound coming out of it, there was no expansiveness, the mid range, the wholesomeness, the body of the instrument, nothing was felt. And I thought I had a very nice microphone, a great sound card. I started recording, and all I heard was a distorted thin sound that was printed on my computer. A song can be mixed quick if it is well recorded, but you can never fix in a mix if it is badly recorded. This is more flat, while when I switch the equalization on, this is what happens. Now the sound of the mridangam is far superior to when you do not do this. This is not merely about understanding frequencies, but this is about understanding the instrument, its pitch, the performance, and then engineering the instrument. It is mandatory that both have to meet each other. We have to embrace technology and music as one. Because of condenser microphones, they are very sensitive. You will see a lot of these spikes in the recording. All these spikes needs to be controlled because it is fatiguing for the listener, and through a condenser microphone. This is where something called a compression comes into place. So anywhere there is a kind of a peak that comes, this dynamic processing starts to hold it. It does not suffocate, it just reduces it a bit.